Guys, it's me. So, anyways, you see here, I got the eye. I hopefully it better not be an ice in here. So, better not be an ice in the bag. Hold on. Oh my gosh. But we'll see. So look at this. So anyways, as you see here, so we just realized that this never been it used to be. So, and look at the view of the room. Bear with me to hear that motor sound. Light came from the vehicle. A certain vehicles, something. Gosh, it was lots of sticks here. Focus camera. Yeah. I wasn't paying attention to this. Look at this. You can see the view of the backyard itself. So anyway, look at this. You should see here. It's beautiful. We don't need any more rain. So that's odd. So hold on. Okay. Hold on. Let me. Sorry about that. So anyways, as you see, and we're gonna end the video here. Thank you guys so much for watching. That'll be it.